So after adding the additional columns in the inventory table and adding a suppliers table and inserting the values in them, all we have to do is retrieve those values and display those values in our admin page. And now as we have added columns and added a new table, we need to reconfigure our SQL data source, and this can be done by selecting the SQL data source and click on the smart tag and select config data source. Now the connection string would be same as your same database, and we would be specifying a custom SQL statement here, and this custom SQL statement would be the same one that we have discussed in the previous video. So the patient will click on next, and we'll be testing our query. If it see if it has any errors, it's not, and it's displaying, so click on finish. Yeah, so sometimes what happens is sometimes the grid view automatically refreshes itself as we have configured the SQL data source, but sometimes it does not. So in scenarios like that, what you can do is you can select the grid view and you can click on smart tag and don't deselect the data source. So it will ask if you want to refresh the fields, and click on yes. And when you again select the data source as SQL data source 1, it will refresh itself to the new data source. Okay, now everything is being displayed, and one more thing that we have to do is we have to format our date. This can be done by going to the edit columns. Now this is a column that we want to be formatted. So data formatting is an attribute that can be utilized to format it. Now we want the first three characters of the month to be displayed, so we are placing 3 M characters there, followed by DD and YYYY, 4 Y characters, as we want the whole year to be displayed. So after doing that, click on OK. So here it has been formatted. Another thing is we would remove the authorization, so we could directly access the page. Remove that, click on save, and would fire up this one to see whether it's working fine in the browser or not. Okay, so everything is in order, and if you're interested and if you have enough time, what you can do is, instead of displaying starting 3 characters of every month, you can display the starting 4 characters of every month. So try on that, and thanks for watching and have a good day.